coming to you guys with some Shirley donuts. Okay, so me and Sadie and Imani, she already got started. I have me a caramel frap. Really good and very sweet. Okay, let's get started. Make sure I can see. You want another donut? Hold, little girl. Ooh, I just warmed them up to y'all. So they are nice and hot. So how was everybody's 4th of July? Mike, get from in front of the camera. I don't need you touching it because if you touch it, my phone is already broken. I don't need to go the extra length of broke. Yeah. Okay, I broke my phone. And then I dropped it again and broke it more. So now I gotta wait until my phone, another screen come in. Donut hoes really for your money. So yeah, how was you guys 4th of July? Mine is good. I have family over. I had 2 family events going on. One in my hometown, and then my in-laws came in town. I ended up sharing her. She went to the family event. And she had a lot of fun. Right? And she just not too long coming back from her dad's. So, yeah, she got a big donut.
She grabbed it.
I didn't see when she did that.
I did.
Oh, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My braid looks super huge. I think that means I need to do my hair over. Cause it's nice. Yeah. I've been keeping it braided up. So I was really disappointed to hear that they closed the Krispy Kreme in my area. Oh my gosh. Apparently they wasn't doing too good. And I don't think in the sense of the price, well, I don't think the price has changed. It's the sense of somebody showed a picture and chocolate glazed donuts, the chocolate looked it all melted. It didn't look good. Quality started being bad. And I love Krispy Kreme. And one day I think it's my husband bought me some donuts, of course, because he knows I like Krispy Kreme. And I always get the cream filled donut with and it has a glaze on the outside. My favorite. No, get from in front of my camera. I'm telling you. It's got the glaze on it. And one day I got it, and there was no glaze on it. It's just a plain donut. Like, they forgot to put the glaze on it. And apparently they've been doing stuff like that a lot. So they closed it. Still got a Dunkin' Donuts. Well, they closed one down here too, so now I still got another one. So, but these Shipley donuts, they have a whole bunch of these. I don't know. exactly how many. But I know on my side of time so far, it's like 2 of them. I've already been doing a lot of videos and one. I didn't do no videos because my in-laws were here. Even though, give me that ring. Alright, even though my mother-in-law cooked a lot. And my husband too. Then we had tacos and we had, well yeah, first day we had tacos. I made gumbo. And he made this other kind of taco. I don't know what it's called. Get down. Leave this alone. Leave it alone. I'm gonna make all the pieces fall out. Go put this somewhere up high. Anyway. What was I saying? Oh, my husband cooked some kind of tacos. It's, get down. It's like chopped up bacon and chorizo and chopped up steak. So and then onions and bell peppers. And then mozzarella cheese on the top. And put the lid on there, let it melt. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I know he said it was tacos. It was delicious. Of course, we had barbecue. And then my birthday's tomorrow, so they threw me a birthday party Sunday. And she made me Mexican barbecue. And yeah, we had beans, we had rice, and I got a cake. Oh, and then I got this necklace, and then I got this watch for my birthday. I got another necklace too. Wow. And then, yeah. Ooh, my stomach. I feel like I got a burp and it's not coming up.
I just burped.
My burp is not coming up. But pretty much that's what we did. What else? Oh, my sister-in-law made pupusas. That was good. Ooh, excuse me. And then my mother-in-law made, what are that, pelotes, I think they're called. Oh, and then when they came, I had made tamales. So when I first got here, we had tamales. Then later on that day, we had tacos. Stop. And then, yeah. Then the next day, I made the gumbo. And then she made this soup. I'm not sure, forgot what it's called. But it had like beef in it, corn, some kind of zucchini, cabbage, sausage. It was really good. I forgot the name of it. Actually, I didn't ask her the name of it, but I seen it on somebody's TikTok page. What are you?
Really, Mommy?
I'm not surprised. Go get my baby. Go get my baby.
And then can I try some of that?
Now she wants to try some. Everybody wants to try some.
Mommy. I want it. I want it.
Oh, that's her new favorite word. I want it. And if she don't want it, I don't want it. So yeah.
Hi.
sandwiches looking like? What just happened?
You don't get the cups. You went and got 2 cups. Look, she wanted to get a cup. Oh, what's the other cup for? You got a cup for Sadie?
Uh-huh.
Get the cup for Sadie. Hold on. Oh, stop.
Winter, come.
That one Winter.
Imani, move your hair.
Here you go, baby.
Yeah, Mommy. Mommy, the blue. The blue.
This is automobile wipes, but they dried out, so might as well. Anyway, this is the end of this mukbang, and I know it's not very, very long at all, but I still got 4 donuts left, and I'm not gonna eat them all. That's a lot of sugar slash this. This is a lot of sugar. I can't believe how big my braid look on this side. Like, I'm pulling it now.
No, Winter.
But anyway,
Blah, blah,
I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to get more content out this
Bye.
week.
Bye.
So bye bye.
Bye bye.